Hello, my name is Mathias STRASSER and today I want to introduce you to our straight pull rifle STRASSER RS14 Evolution. This straight pull rifle is an interchangeable barrel system. We offer right now 27 different calibers in 3 different caliber groups. The straight pull action is a very smooth action with a safety and a trigger which has additionally a set trigger. While you shot and repeat the system, you can easily operate the rifle. If you don't pull the trigger, you have to press the silver button on the rear, and at the same time you open the bolt. On both sides of the rifle there is a push button for the magazine release, 3+1 for standard, 2+1 for magnum, and also 3+1 rounds for mini calibers. Additionally, we offer an extended magazine with 6+1 rounds for standard calibers and 5+1 rounds for magnums. The bolt action release is on this side. You push the button inside and you get out the bolt. On the rear there's another little pin which you push backwards and you have the trigger. So now, this is our STRASSER combi trigger. That means you have a direct trigger with 3 different settings, from light, medium and heavy. Additionally, you have the possibility of a set trigger. In the front, there is a 4mm Allen key, which is your tool to disassemble now the rifle. The first thing what you do is you take off the forend. You use the tool again, open this little screw, and now in your forend there's a metal pin. Use this little metal pin for the mechanical clamping device. Open the system and take off the barrel. Now the whole rifle is disassembled. The last thing is what you have to do when you change a caliber from a standard to a magnum. You change also the bolt head. There is 1 bolt head for each caliber group, mini, standard and magnum. What we also have is the STRASSER NX trigger. This trigger has a trigger weight of 680 grams and is a direct trigger with the possibility of changing the length of the little trigger. Now we put the rifle again together. First thing is you insert the barrel. You take the Allen key for the index screw, the metal pin for the clamping device, insert the pin in the forend, put the forend on the rifle and turn the little screw. Put the Allen key back in the trigger unit and put it back in the receiver. Now the bolt, and last but not least, the magazine. This is the STRASSER RS14 Evolution. And for all of you who wants to save a little bit of money, but you want to have the same quality of a Strasser rifle, we created the STRASSER RS Solo Evolution. The same quality, the same straight pull rifle, but no interchangeable barrel system.